Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best body cameras available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Cam Pro Body Camera. This police body camera often utilized by law enforcement to record their interactions with the public, or gather video evidence at crime scenes. Nowadays it's also widely used in military public service and citizen surveillance. It has full-featured police camera for simple recording. This body camera equipped with high-intensity infrared LEDs, also capture clear footage up to 50 feet away in pitch-black darkness. This camera is extremely rugged and durable, capable of withstanding the harshest weather and working conditions. It is built in 128GB large memory. There will be plenty of space to store all video captured throughout your upcoming working days. At number 6 we have Bospo Body Camera. This body camera being preferable to set up for security. It is designed with an awesome 360 degrees rotatable clip behind the lens that is small and rugged, which could be mounted at anywhere. You can wear the personal sport camera on your collar, clip it on the bike. This personal body cam features a 90 degrees lens, so you can also get a broad field of view. It is equipped with 4 high-intensity infrared LEDs, the distance of night vision up to 15 feet. This wearable comp cam built an 800 mAh rechargeable battery. This small camera is suitable for outdoor. You can wear it to do some outdoor sports, such like running, bike riding. At number 5 we have Boblov Body Camera. The police body cameras for law enforcement is easy to use and configure. That features with pre-record, post-record, stealth mode, edit, device ID, file protection, etc. This body camera with 140 degrees wide angle captures 1296p HD videos. Meanwhile, it equipped with high-intensity infrared LEDs, can capture clear footage up to 10 meters 32 feet away in pitch-black darkness. This body camera comes with audio recording, adopts external micro SD card storage, provides you flexible memory. The video recorder comes with built-in a 2850 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts for 9-10 hours of recording time in 1080p. That allows you recording a video which length is up to 30 minutes, easy to view. At number 4 we have Camp. It is built in 64GB. Built-in storage allows for hours of footage without worrying about running out of space. This body camera equipped with high-intensity infrared LEDs also capture clear footage up to 50 feet away in pitch-black darkness. This 2-inch LCD monitor allows you to instantly watch back previous recordings. It is a powerful 3500 mAh battery, lets you record footage for up to 10 hours in a row. Enough to get through multiple shifts without needing to worry about battery life. This camera can be connected to any computer to read the disc automatically. This full HD body-worn camera offers great security throughout your upcoming shifts. At number 3 we have Patrol Master Body Camera. His Patrol Master body-worn camera has a unique ultra-compact and slim design with sleek-looking and built-in 2-inch LCD display and one-button operation feature. It comes with the one-button operation design feature. Users can easily recording videos, audios. This Patrol Master body-worn camera can capture clear footage with face detection up to 33 feet away in super low light. It comes with the 170 degrees ultra-wide angle. It can capture much more information for the critical scene nearby. This Patrol Master body camera provides continuous recording of footage without any worries. At number 2 we have GRC Body Camera. This GRC X5B is built in 128GB storage for all your video, picture and audio recordings. There will be plenty of space to store all video captured throughout your upcoming working days. This HD 1512p personal body camera make video dynamic effect as clear and smooth. It can quickly capture more detailed pictures. This GRC X5B police body cam adopt Ambarella H22 chip, makes body camera react faster. Say goodbye to lag to enjoy a smoother experience. The internal GPS receiver provides location tagging of video, that offering irrefutable substantiation of where and when the audio and video were recorded. This high-intensity infrared LEDs that capture clear footage up to 50 feet away in pitch-black darkness. At number 1 we have Bospo Body Camera. This body camera being preferable to set up for security. It is designed with an awesome 360 degrees rotatable clip behind the lens that is small and rugged, which could be mounted at anywhere. You can wear the personal sport camera on your collar, clip it on the bike. This small camera is suitable for outdoor. It has incredible HD 1080p video recording at 30 fps that bring you clear and fluent videos. This personal body cam features a 90 degrees lens so you can also get a broad field of view. It is equipped with 4 high-intensity infrared LEDs, the distance of night vision up to 15 feet. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best body cameras for your need.